Welcome to another exciting video. Tonight, we begin our journey at Dubai Internet City, where the dazzling night views of hotels and corporate buildings set the perfect tone for an adventure. Look at how beautifully this city comes alive after dark. As we head towards Dubai Internet City Metro Station, you can see how this area thrives as a hub for technology and innovation. With world-class hotels and offices, it's no surprise that this neighborhood is always bustling. Dubai Metro is one of the most advanced metro systems in the world, fully automated and driverless. It's an efficient way to travel across the city, connecting all major attractions. Now, let's hop on and make our way to Dubai Mall. The metro is not just convenient, but also provides some amazing views of Dubai's skyline. It's clean, comfortable, and perfect for exploring this vibrant city. We've reached Dubai Mall, one of the largest and most luxurious malls in the world. Let's take a quick tour inside to explore what it has to offer. From high-end brands to unique stores, Dubai Mall truly caters to every shopper's dream. Whether you're here for a luxury shopping spree or simply to admire the grandeur, this mall has it all. Right next to the mall is Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Standing at an incredible 828 meters, it symbolizes Dubai's ambition and innovation. The surrounding area offers stunning views of modern architecture. Every evening, people from all over the world gather here to experience the breathtaking combination of art, technology, and architecture. And here it begins. The Burj Khalifa transforms into a canvas of light, telling stories, showcasing themes, and celebrating moments. The lighting show is a masterpiece of LED technology, featuring over 1.2 million lights seamlessly synchronized to music. Every detail is designed to captivate your imagination. Each display is unique, often reflecting global celebrations, local traditions, or breathtaking abstract designs. What's your favorite moment so far? Comment below. If you're visiting Dubai, the Burj Khalifa lighting show is a must-see. It's free, unforgettable, and a perfect way to end your day. For now, enjoy the Burj Khalifa lighting scenes. Here's the Dubai Fountain, a mesmerizing spectacle of water, music, and light. It's one of the largest choreographed fountain systems in the world, offering a magical experience for visitors. For now, enjoy the fountain show. Back inside the mall, we have this breathtaking indoor waterfall. The unique sculptures of divers blend seamlessly with the cascading water, creating an artful and tranquil space. Our last stop is the Dubai Aquarium, home to a wide variety of marine life. From sharks to colourful fishes, this place is a window into the underwater world and a must-visit attraction for all ages. The Dubai Aquarium holds over 10 million litres of water and is home to more than 33,000 aquatic animals from 140 different species. Look at those majestic rays and sand tiger sharks gliding through the water. One of the highlights here is the 48-metre-long walk-through tunnel, offering a 270-degree view of the underwater world. It's like stepping into the ocean without getting wet. The adventure doesn't end with the aquarium. The underwater zoo on the upper level showcases an amazing variety of species. Meet king croc, one of the world's largest reptiles, and don't miss the adorable penguins in their icy habitat. For thrill seekers, there are plenty of activities to get closer to the action. You can try cage snorkeling, where you're just a thin net away from the marine life. Or, if you're feeling brave, go for the shark diving experience. Thank you for joining me on this amazing night tour of Dubai's highlights. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting adventures. See you in the next one.